Hello student, how are you? Welcome to our computer class. Before going further, we will see what we have learned in our previous class. We learn about computer system. All of you know the computer system. What is computer system? Yes. Now this computer system is divided into two parts. That is hardware and software. So what is hardware? The physical part we can see with your eyes and can touch called hardware like mouse, keyboard, etc. Like this hardware is again divided into three parts. That is input device, output device and storage device. Now we also have seen the input device, that is the hardware device that used to input words, number and picture into computer called input device like keyboard, mouse. We also seen the examples of input device like microphone is used to record in a computer. We also see a scanner which copy a picture or text into the computer, right? Webcam to take picture and live chit chat. Okay, I also have given an example of our WhatsApp, right? Joystick. This joystick also used as a play is used to playing game and is like a mouse for moving the items. Okay, light pen, it is a type of pen which is used to write on a pad. Okay, this is also one type of inputs device and similar to a mouse. We also seen some output device. What is output device? Which display and the information and result are called output device like monitor. Okay, we also seen some output device like printer. It helps the to print the output which you seen on a computer, right? We also have seen some other speaker. It is used to hear music and sound, right? That's stored in the computer. So we have seen this input device and output device of the computer. Up till now we learn about hardware that we can see and touch are called hardware. Okay, now we will see software like human body internal part, that is brain, heart, lungs, stomach, kidney. Can you touch it? Can you see it? No, na. The same way we cannot see software. Okay, but it will work like all this work, na. Brain will work, heart will work, okay, lungs will work. The same way the software is also work. Brain, heart, all these will control and instruct the body, right? The same way this software will instruct the computer and control the computer. In this we are going to see what is software, what is the use of it and how it is useful in computer. Okay, so what is software? Software, it is a set of program. It is a set of program which control the internal operation of a computer and instruct computer what to do, right? Now this software will control the whole part of a computer and also instruct the computer what to do. Suppose we give any input, this software will instruct the computer that this type of input we have given. Okay, now we have to perform certain type of operation and gives us a accurate result. For example, if we have given two numbers and addition symbol, so this software will tell computer that we have get this two number and addition symbol means we have to add this two number, and they will start the operation that adding this two number, they will display the result, give the accurate result and display on a monitor, on a screen. Okay, for this purpose this software will work to control the internal operations and to instruct the computer what to do and what to not. Okay, so all this will be done by the software will handle the internal part of the control the internal part of the computer. Okay, got it? What is mean by software? Okay, now we will see next. Software are of two types, that is system software and application software. What is system software? What is application software? We are going to see one by one. System software. System software is a set of a program. What it is? It is a set of a program that control the overall working of a computer. The overall working of a computer is controlled by whom? System software. Whether it is a additions, arithmetic operation, or writing, or any drawing, listening music, all this work done by computer is controlled by whom? System software. Operating system is a system software that makes computer run. Operating system? Okay, when you open a computer, there is a blue color screen will appear and some window like appear on the screen. What is it? It is nothing but the operating system. It is a set of program. Okay, it is also have a lots of application in it on which you will do different type of work. With the help of this operating system, you can perform different type of work on it. Without your operating system, it will not possible. So system software is a type of computer program that is designed to run computer hardware and application program. Means whenever you give a input to the computer, whenever you give any input, it will display on the screen. Okay, that is output is display on a screen. With who will control all this thing? With whose help it will be display? This system software. With the help of system software, it will display. It is the interface between the hardware and the user application. Hardware means that you are giving input, like your keyboard is your hardware. Through keyboard it is going to computer and you will get the result. So whatever you give through your hardware, that keyboard or mouse, this software will convert into instructions and it will show you on the monitor. Okay, so it is used as a interface between the hardware and the users application. Whatever user wants to type, whatever user want to draw. Okay, got it? So operating system is a system software that makes computer run. So the system software main part is operating system, which makes the computer run. Without this operating system, even your computer cannot open, cannot perform any work. So operating system is very essential in this computer. So we will see different type of operating systems. Operating system, first one, all of you know this first one? Yeah, I know all of you know this, but you don't know what it is called. It is a operating system and it is a window operating system. Okay, Microsoft's operating system, window operating system. It look like a window now, that's why it is called window operating system. And the next is look like a Apple, so that is a Apple operating system. This Apple operating system are present mostly in a Apple's computer, Apple's mobile and Apple's watch. This operating system will be there. And the last one is, you have seen, where you have seen? Yes, nowadays it is in your mobile. Yes, it is in your mobile. It is Android operating system. It is Android operating system. So these are some examples of operating system, that is Windows, Apple, Android. These are some operating systems. With the help of this, your mobile, your computer, your watch will work. Without this operating system, your computer will not work. And it also gives you lots of features to work on this. Got it? Now we will see next. application software. The software that designed to perform specific type of job and help user to perform operation is called application software. So this application software which help user to perform different operations, like if any user wants to do a presentation, they will use PowerPoint. If anyone want calculation, they use Excel. If anyone want to write or type, they use Words or Notepad. If anyone want to paint or draw, they will use Paint. Okay, these are the software applications. If anybody want to watch movies, what will they do? Media player is there. If anybody want to access the internet, they will web browser there, email is also there. These are the some software application that helps user to perform their different type of operations. Okay, with the help of this application they can do different work. Got it? And this software application software is inside the system software, that is inside operating system. This operating system will provide you all this application software. We will see what type of application you have seen. Okay, once you see software application is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, Paint, okay, Netflix for watching movies, all these are email, all these are software applications. Once you open the computer, after getting that window will occur. Okay, after window occur, after that this software application you will see on the computer, or before that window you see this software applications. No, means that operating system is providing you such type of software applications for doing a different jobs. Okay, for doing writing, calculating, making presentations, okay, watching movies, for web browsing. All these application are given by whom? Operating system. Who's providing you? Operating system is providing you. So this is called application software. I hope you have understand what is software. Okay, what is system software, what is application software. Okay, so student, before we wind up, we will revise what we have learned in this chapter. In this chapter we have learned about computer. Why computer is called an amazing machine? Because it will perform different work at the same time. We also seen where these computers are used: in school, hospitals, offices, airports, defense, okay, in space. Okay, we also seen the parts of computer system, that is monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. We also learn about function of a computer, that is input, that is the data and instruction which we entered but using keyboard or mouse are called input. Processing, after entering the data, this CPU is start working on data and give a accurate result, is called processing. We also see output. After data is processed, this CPU gives useful information, is known as output, and the display on a monitor. We also see about computer system. Computer system is divided into two parts, that is hardware and software. Hardware part is a physical part which can see and touch, and software is which we cannot see and cannot touch, is called software part. In hardware part, we also see in hardware is divided into three parts, that is input device, output device and storage device. In input device we have seen there is a scanner is there, joystick is there, a microphone is there, okay, like mouse, keyboard. Okay, in output hardware part we have seen printer is there. We also seen that speaker is also there, monitors are there. Okay, the same way software is there. Software is also divided into two parts, that is system software. We also call system software as a operating system, and application system, that operating system will provide us, that is like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Okay, I hope you will understand all these things that we have learned in this chapter. Okay, now we will see on next class. Till then, take care and revise all these things. Okay, see you.